Hello! This is Svetlana with Klasny Штаны, aka Fancy Pants, and we have Natasha z Kuchnia. Hey guys, it's Svetlana with Fancy Pants Hair, and we are here once again with the fabulous Natasha of Natasha's Kitchen. And it is hair time. We're getting ready to style her hair for her video shoot today. And we are going to do something today that is super easy, elegant, has tons of movement, tons of texture, and it's probably going to take like 15 minutes. I'm going to walk you through it. All right, you ready? You ready? I'm ready? Actually, I gotta go. Her hair is too clean. I need some texture because I'm going to tease it later, and we need to add something in there that will allow that teasing to stay and get the volume that we need. So to do that, we are going to use a texturizing powder. This is my Big Sexy. Any texturizing powder will work. And you want to be careful, do not overdo it. So we're just gonna apply it at her scalp. Okay, so we're gonna section her off and just go ahead and curl the entire head. I am going to be using an 1¼ iron, and before we get started curling her hair, I'm gonna go through with a flat iron and just kind of run it through the last 2 inches of her hair just to relax it and to give those curls that straight edge that's gonna make it look more wavy and a little more casual. So here we go, we're gonna start the curling process. I'm just taking small sections. And I'm gonna start about mid-shaft here, and then we're just gonna start wrapping around. And once we get to the very top, we're just gonna feed it through a little bit until you have about ½ inch of hair at the end. And I'm just holding it with my fingers. And then release. Don't touch that curl, let it cool. So when I'm curling, a lot of people ask me the question, what direction should I be curling in? Here's a really easy rule to remember. If you're splitting your hair down the middle, this half is gonna go away from your face, and then on the other side, we're gonna go away from your face too. Honestly, once you get behind the ear, it really doesn't matter. So we're just gonna keep working our way up through the crown, next section here, and tease everything back, all the way till the very flat part of her head, and then we're gonna do something different. But just continue doing what you know to do, girl. Walk in the light you've been given. Come on. All right, so now that we got this little section of hair right here left, everything else is teased up behind here. It's all curled nicely. We're gonna give her that middle part now. Instead of teasing all this back, we're going to kind of begin to build at a diagonal here.
It's kind of a disgusting part. Can you fix that? Are you going to fix that?
Do you hear someone? Alright, I got another game for you. So as children, one of our favorite movies was The Lion King, and we cried every time. So we're going to see who can do the best impression of the music when Simba was raised up. You want to go first?
Sure.
All right, ready to go. Sorry, I lost myself in the moment. Shoot, I felt like Rafiki up on Pride Rock. Alright, so if you're gonna be using a middle part, this is a little trick that I use. I take a blow dryer and a paddle brush in this front fringe section. On high heat, I just blow dry it forward. That way, when you part it, it's not going backwards, but it's got that nice fullness and the forward movement motion. That's especially important to do if you have any cowlicks as well. If you want to know how to deal with cowlicks, check out my How to Deal with Cowlick video. So See how she's got this extra fullness now, and it's going towards her face and not away from her face? That's what we want. All right, now that you got everything curled, it's time to just very gently smooth everything out with a wide tooth comb. I'm gonna have you flip your head upside down. Ready? Woo! I'm going to take some light hold hairspray, and we're just gonna shake out some of those curls. Then I'm gonna take a texture spray, any kind of sea salt spray would work great, or a dry wax would work great. And just get some texture in there. Natasha, flip her over. Woohoo! Don't touch, don't you touch, I'll cut your fingers. So I'm using my fingers to kind of protect her face and also lift up right at her hairline there. Pretty much done. I'm just going to use the fine picks on the comb to lift up any areas that need more volume. Turn over this way. So kind of just look at your overall silhouette and lift up in the areas that you feel like need volume. Voila! We are video ready. Hey, if you want to see more of these videos, go to Fancy Pants Hair and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll know when we post our next one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you later. 1,